Alright, Shalom Akam. I want to give all praise to Abhor, Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Mashak, Yahushua, Hakodashim, Shah, Yahushua, Ba'ashem, Yahweh, Katuwa, La Shalom, Yahweh, La Roshem, Sa. Alright, this video is going to be on an article dealing with home remedies for wheezing, okay, in children, and also this is for adults too if you have, problems with breathing, wheezing, or anything like that, or you have children. They get a cold or something, and they start wheezing. So I'm gonna go into it. It says 28 natural home remedies for wheezing in children. Salakia. Some other factors can cause wheezing in children and adults are sleep apnea, respiratory syncytial virus medications. Yeah, because some of these medicines, that these Europeans give us, majority of them is pretty much um, poison, man, and really it's not medication, but just something to calm you down, basically. It says medication, heart failure, lung cancer, etc. Although mild wheezing can be treated by over-the-counter medications, which we know, over-the-counter medications is laboratory, meaning it's not a natural remedy. Uh, Although mild wheezing can be treated over-the-counter medications and even natural home remedies, it is important for you to see a doctor when nothing can improve the wheezing condition, and it is accompanied by rapid breathing, difficult breathing, and briefly blushy skin color. If you do not want your children to take medications, you can let them use natural remedies such as moisturizing the air, drinking warm liquids, avoiding tobacco smoke, or standing nearby people who are smoking, and using natural home remedies. Here are our top 28 natural home remedies for wheezing you are finding out. You have number 1, moisturize the air. 2, flax seeds. 3, ginkgo biloba, turmeric, which turmeric is good for inflammation. So, wheezing ain't nothing but inflammation. So it's, good to use turmeric. You can make a little water out of it or whatever. You can put a little bit in your baby's milk. You know what I'm saying? And to help if you have a child that's going through that. You know what I'm saying? Wheezing or whatever. Help your immune system. Sesame oil, licorice tea, red chili, which you probably won't give no baby no red chili, but some fish. Says fish is good. Yogurt, orange juice, hot soups, fenugreek seeds, gooseberries, bitter gourd root, drumstick leaves, safflower seeds, mint remedy, apple cider vinegar, but that's probably too strong for a baby. But an adult can take that. Carom seeds, ginger probably too strong for a baby. Mustard oil, figs. Now, a baby probably can eat some figs. That'd probably work, but for an adult. But for a child can't deal with the ginger. That's too strong probably. Mustard oil, figs, eucalyptus oil, and honey. Honey is good, man, because honey, onions, lemons, all of that is good. Eat more fruits and vegetables and garlic, which garlic would probably be too powerful for a baby or a child. But honey and a little bit of lemon, man, that should work. Cause I had the flu 2 times. I had caught the flu this year, man, and I ate a whole clove of garlic and honey, and pretty much put on some warm clothes and sweat the cold out, and I got rid of the flu in like a day or two, man. All praises to Yahweh, man. All right, Bahasham, Mashiach, Yahushua. It says moisten the air. If you or your children suffer from wheezing, sitting in dry air may worsen the problems. Therefore, you can ease wheezing by moisturizing the air. It is recommended using a humidifier in your bedroom or taking a steamy shower to relieve wheezing. If your child gets diagnosed with wheezing and is not comfortable, you can let your child sit in the bathroom while running a hot water, which that's good for breathing. Make sure that you keep the door closed to prevent the steam from escaping. Moist air is a great treatment for wheezing. It's like it. Moist air is a great treatment for wheezing. Flax seeds, you know what I'm saying, said they are well known for antibacterial properties, high in omega-3 fatty acids. Therefore, as in natural home remedies for wheezing children, we cannot skip flax seeds. All right. Ginkgo biloba. Okay. It said ginkgo biloba has been used for ages as effective remedies for plenty of health problems. Let's see what else they got down here. It says one of the benefits of ginkgo biloba I would like to mention is in this article is a cure for wheezing. Drinking ginkgo biloba daily can help to boost the function of lungs and control the symptoms of wheezing. Here's a way you can treat wheezing effectively with the help of ginkgo biloba. Put ginkgo biloba in a pot filled with water, boiling water. Steep it for a few minutes and let it cool down before drinking. I might have to go get me some of this. Turmeric. Another great thing for you to deal with this wheezing issue is the use of turmeric. Turmeric is a very familiar natural ingredient that is used widely for many purposes. Go down here. It says it contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Therefore, it is not surprising when turmeric is used to treat many health problems and diseases. Turmeric is one of the well-known home remedies for wheezing in children. I would like to introduce in this article. Okay, turmeric is loaded with magnesium, vitamin B6, and fiber. There are some ways of using turmeric that help you to relieve wheezing. Add and stir a half teaspoon of turmeric ground powder in a glass of warm water. Drink the solution every day. Add the mixture of a half teaspoon turmeric powder and a little salt into a glass of hot water. Consume this drink daily. It says to mix the turmeric with the honey. Consume the mixture daily. Massage your chest with the paste from turmeric. Okay. See all this, man. This is to help, you know what I'm saying, get rid of colds, man, and also wheezing and chest for children and adults, man. You know what I'm saying? Natural home remedies, man. Most High said, we're supposed to not abhor, you know what I'm saying, the medicines that the Most High created for us out of the earth. Sesame oil, licorice tea, red chili, might too, that's too hot for baby. Fish, some fish. It says if your children love eating fish, it would be the one of the effective home remedies for wheezing you should know. Fish has a great source of omega-3 fatty acids. Therefore, eating fish can improve the ability and function of the lung. It is recommended eating fish regularly to keep wheezing and irritation at bay. Although your child does not suffer from asthma or wheezing, you should encourage him to eat fish regularly to prevent some health issues. Alright, so it says fish got those omega-3 fatty acids, man, that can help ability and function of the lungs. Yogurt. We all know that yogurt is good for the health because it can provide you enough good bacteria that helps you fight against viruses and free radicals. But not many people know that yogurt is one of the home remedies for wheezing. Yogurt is loaded with vitamin B12 that is responsible for boosting the function of the lungs. Orange juice, hot soups, uh, fenugreek seeds, gooseberries, all this stuff. Bitter stuff is good for you. mint, apple cider vinegar, carom seeds, ginger, mustard oil, figs. That's good. Honey. Honey can remove the mucous membranes of the airway passages. You can use honey. Honey is worth to give a try for children when they get wheezing. You can use honey to reduce symptoms of wheezing. Honey can remove the mucous membranes of the airway passages. Mucus accumulation in the airway results in wheezing. There are a variety of types of honey with different purposes in the market. You need to know which type of honey is suitable to treat wheezing and coughing in children. Dark honey, okay. Cinnamon powder, teaspoon of honey, onions, lemons, for vitamin C, you know what I'm saying? You know. Alright, the Most High gave us you know, some beautiful advice through his creation, man. Alright. And we are to honor brothers that's pushing, you know what I'm saying, physician, man, which is pushing the natural remedies, man. And these damn doctors that they can benefit you sometimes, but for the most part, they're it's a business, man. All right. This is Sirach 38:1, Ecclesiasticus 38:1. Honor a physician with the honor due to him for the uses which he may have of him, for the Lord created him. The Most High created brothers to teach this, man. Teach the truth about the natural remedies that cure us, man. For the Most High cometh healing, right? Because the Most High created what I'm saying, the things, the medicines out of the earth. It's like for the Most High cometh healing, and he shall receive honor of the king. The skill of the physician shall lift up the head, and the sight of the great man shall he be in admiration. The Lord created medicines out of the earth, and he that is wise will not abhor them. All praise to Abhor, Yahweh, Kahalaywa, Thwatham Yah, Yahweh, Bahasham, Hamashak, Yahushua. Much love to all the elders, and much love to all the brothers pushing work in truth and meekness. Shalom.